Right now, there's a booming market hiding in plain sight on Amazon, and it's kids books. And today I want to show you not only how you can tap into this incredible opportunity, but also how you can get full rights to sell this exact course as your own and keep 100% of the profits. Hi, my name's Trevor, and together with Luann, we've created something very special for you. Are you ready to build a real income stream online without complicated tech, big investments, or years of trial and error? Because that's exactly what this is all about. Amazon KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, is one of the fastest and easiest ways to publish your own books and tap into a marketplace with millions of hungry buyers. And the best part? Kids books are one of the hottest, most in-demand categories on Amazon. Parents are always searching for new storybooks, colouring books and fun activities for their children, which means this market just keeps growing. That's why we created the Kids Book Mastery course. This is a step-by-step program that shows you how to go from complete beginner to published author in record time, even if you've never written a book before. Here's what you'll discover inside. How to create your Amazon account and easily navigate KDP. How to create your ebook using AI tools, whether that's colouring books or storybooks. How to publish your ebook on the platform and get approval fast. And how to get traffic to your ebook so you can make your very first sale. This is the complete blueprint for making money with Amazon books. But here's where this gets even better. We're including full PLR rights, that's private label rights, to the entire course. That means that you can sell this course as your own, under your own name or any name you choose, set your own price and keep 100% of the profits. You can sell it as a standalone product, bundle it with other offers, use it as a bonus, break it up into lead magnets, or add it to a membership site. Or in fact, anything else you can think of. Here's everything you're getting today inside the package. The 25-minute on-screen video course showing you how to create, publish and sell kids books on Amazon. A high-quality audio version of the training so you can learn on the go. A 4,000-word transcript of the training. A professional done-for-you sales page. Ready-to-use graphics. Promo tools to help you sell. And a lead magnet report complete with squeeze page and download page. In fact, everything you need to both learn from this training and resell it for 100% profits. So what are you waiting for? Click the Buy Now button below and grab your copy of Kids Book Mastery PLR today. You'll learn exactly how to profit from kids books on Amazon, plus get the full rights to resell this entire course under your own name and keep every penny you make. This is a very special launch offer, and once it's gone, it's gone. So don't miss out. Click the button below right now to get started. Remember, with Kids Book Mastery PLR, you're getting the complete training plus full PLR rights. That's two powerful income streams in one package. Click the button now and I'll see you on the inside. Oh, and don't just take my word for it. Here's what others have said. Marco said, "I'm totally blown away by the value included here. This is the easiest way to publish Amazon books and start making sales with Amazon KDP. Amazing value. Thank you so much, guys." Vikram said, "This training is amazing. It teaches the exact blueprint on how to create, publish and sell kids books on Amazon, and with full PLR rights, you've got two powerful ways to make money online." And Peter said, "I'm totally amazed by the quality of this course. It teaches you everything from setting up your account to selling your first ebook. Incredible training." As you can see, people love this, and I know you will too. So go ahead, click the buy button now, and we'll see you on the inside.